Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Saudari and today date is 23 November 2021 and today topic is inheritance in Java. So let's start the today topic, which is the inheritance in Java. So what is inheritance in Java? So basically it is a mechanism to access the child to parent object. It means that when we create the object of the child class, then we can access the all property of the parent class by using the extend keyword. Extend keyword meaning is when we use the extend keyword, it means that it's access the drive of the existing class. Then when we creating, it is also called the uh, base base class and derived class relationship. It is also called the super to subclass relationship. Then when into that inheritance have a is a relationship, because of we access the all property of the parent class, that's why it's also called the is a relationship. And when we access the subclass, and it is also the subclass to subclass access the all property of superclass. So let's start the first topic of the inheritance, which is a single inheritance. There are the four type of inheritance we can access in Java. First one is a single inheritance, second one is a hybrid inheritance, third one is a hierarchical inheritance, fourth one is a multi-level inheritance. So first we will see about the single inheritance. So single inheritance, it means that we can access the all property of a parent class by using the child class. Then that's why the single inheritance. Syntax of the single inheritance is class ABC, opening curly bracket, then body of class, then class B, class XYZ, extend the class ABC, then into curly braces body of the class. Then it is a syntax of the single inheritance. So extend class, it is used to extend the all property or inherit the all property of the parent class. Then another type of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means it is a chain of the classes. We can access the property of parent to parent. Then we have a, for example, syntax of the multi-level inheritance is class ABC, opening curly bracket, then class B, extend the class ABC, and then class C, extend the class ABC, extend the class B. So it is a multi-level inheritance. It is a relation of the parent to parent relationship. Then another point which is of the inheritance is hybrid hierarchical inheritance. Into that hierarchical inheritance we have a one parent and two child class. It means that one parent one child class access the one proper one class one property of parent class. Then for example, syntax of the hierarchical inheritance is class A, then opening curly bracket body of the class, then class B, extend the class A, and then opening curly bracket body of the class, then class C, extend again class A. It is a hierarchy of the hierarchical inheritance. Then another type which is a hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance means it is a combination of multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. It means that it is a relation between parent to parent, and then it is also the two child and one parent class. We can access the property. Then into that syntax of the hybrid inheritance is class A, then class B, extend the class A, then class C, extend the class B, and then class D, extend the class B. So it is a example of the syntax of the hybrid inheritance. Then into inheritance, it is a type of the all inheritance. Then we cannot access the multiple inheritance, because it is when we access the multiple inheritance or try to create the multiple inheritance, that time it's create the ambiguity and that give the compile time error. That's why we are not creating or access the multiple inheritance. So this is the all about the today topic, which is a multi inheritance in Java. So these are the topics of the inheritance of Java. And then inheritance, it is also the reusability, because we can access the all code of the parent class. That's why it is also helpful for the coding and the creation of the new code. Then we can also override the code, which is a runtime polymorphism accessed by the inheritance, because we can override the method by using the inheritance. So that's why all about the today topic, and these are the points of the today topic. So thank you.